Right now, we're seeing a business sentiment score at plus 0.45, despite a momentum drop of minus 1.43 over the last 24 hours. This is unusual. Typically, when sentiment is positive, we expect momentum to follow suit, not decline. Our API returns a comprehensive snapshot of this sentiment landscape, including 19 semantic clusters that break down the nuances of current business discussions. As a developer, you can leverage this data to enhance your financial applications, perhaps by integrating these insights into a risk assessment tool that alerts your users when sentiment diverges from momentum, signaling potential market anomalies. To dig deeper into these insights and see how you can implement this in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.